What's up, gentlemen and ladies? Welcome to another episode of Project Gentleman. We are here. We love to talk about the things that help us win in life. And today we're here at Hyundai Cebu, Talisay. This is their new branch. Thank you so much for all the staff that has helped me here. Very warm accommodation. For any inquiries, please contact the person in the comments or in the description. And today we're here again because this is one of the most asked about subcompact cars in my channel, TikTok. Yan. So dahil malakas kayo sa akin, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Hyundai Creta 1.5 liter top of the line. So I hope that you enjoy this review. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go! If you're looking for a great subcompact crossover SUV, then the Hyundai Creta is the one that I would highly recommend to anyone. You actually have great options from the top of the line up to the base model. But today, what we're going to be featuring is the top of the line GLS variant. It is priced at 1,458,000 pesos. And I think that this price is going to be justified for those who are looking for a subcompact crossover SUV with a great looks and a great interior feel. Underneath the hood of your Hyundai Creta is a 1.5 liter gasoline engine with IVT or Intelligent Variable Transmission, which produces a maximum power of 115 PS at 6,300 RPM and a maximum torque of 144 Newton meters at 4,500 RPM. For your front fascia, you have this beautiful looking design with a nice looking set of grills. I personally love the grille design here. It's just very unique, especially when the LED headlights are turned on. It just really helps you stand out there on the roads if that's your thing. You have a full LED affair with LED headlights and LED fog lights. And at the same time, at the rear end, you have an LED taillight combination as well. Here at the top, you have a black top finish which really matches with a silver color, together with a glossy black finish on your side mirrors, which has a turn signal as well, and then silver finish for your door handles, which overall just gives you that VIP or very premium look as an exterior. You have a 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels which has a gun metal finish combination with black and silver, MacPherson strut suspension for your front, and torsion beam for the rear. You have an all-disc brake affair, which is really good for safety and really great for what you pay for. Then for your rear end, guys, you have reverse camera and sensors as well, which has a rear cross traffic alert, or it automatically stops when the car detects that there's someone crossing from behind, which is a very great feature, especially here in the Philippines. When you open the compartment, you'll be greeted with a very huge amount of space, which is very great for camping or your daily needs if you have a lot of things that you need to carry with you. This is also where you'll find your spare tire, which unfortunately only has a donut type, but the good thing is you have the same tires with the ones attached on the stock. Then for your lighting here at the back, you have only one light over at the left side and you don't have one at the right side, but it's gonna be good enough, I believe, if you just open as well the dome light at the interior. So welcome to the interior of your Hyundai Creta, no? A very luxurious premium interior. That's the first thing that we have observed here, or there's something that I really liked about the Hyundai Creta. So for your steering wheel, guys, you have this leather wrapped material, and then of course with the stitchings. There you go, very nice. Okay, so that's really something that you're gonna feel here when you get inside the Creta. Luxurious premium interior. So let's go back to the steering wheel in a bit. So let's go with your dashboard. You see this two-tone black and brown material. Dashboard quality, excellent. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Very good quality material used here. Then all the way here to your passenger side, you still have this, what they call the cognac brown finish. As you can see, all around your interior, that's the combination that you're gonna see. What do you think of the color combination, guys? Let me know in the comments below. And then for your glove compartment, let's see. Okay, it's not hydraulic, but it's good enough. I can feel that it's durable, no? So this is gonna be solid, and the space is large enough as well. So let's go back here at the top, guys. You have this light gray finish. You don't have black headliners, but this is gonna be good enough for me. And then for your shade, sunshade, you have a mirror. You can close it and open it. I don't think you have lights, but it's okay because you have your lights over here. Okay, halogen. All right, and then you can set it to different modes as well. And then for your driver's side, you have mirrors as well, which is nice, but still I don't think you have lights. But again, you can use the map lights here. For your rear view mirror, guys, manual day and night rear view mirrors. And then for your air conditioning, you have a glossy black finish right here. Okay, scratch prone, but make sure to just be careful on that area. And then you have here your 8-inch infotainment display, which is good enough for me. Para sa akin is gonna be it's gonna be able to do the job, no? So you have glossy finish as well here, and then which is also prone to scratches, and yan nga kasi it's glossy black finish. But for me, I really like glossy black finish with my interior. So these are your functions right here. So you have knob type, no, controls for your volume, and then for your radio as well. Different functions right here, left and right. Okay, radio, you can seek. And then this is gonna be wired Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capable, guys. You're just gonna need to use a cord or a USB wire. So moving on here, at the middle of your interior, you have your controls for your air conditioning, and then you have your fan speed as well right here. Hazard button. You have here your controls for your, I like that it has a direction, no, for your air conditioning flow. And then you also have front defoggers, rear defoggers, and then circulation as well for your air conditioning. Then to continue here below, guys, you have a very impressive wireless charging pad, which is very useful, very modern, no? That's a necessity nowadays for me. Then you have your USB ports, and then 12-volt socket, and you have another USB port as well on the right side for your charging needs. Now for your gear lever, guys, I like this pilot style, no? It's like a jet plane style knob or gear lever, which is very, very cool, guys, honestly. And then you have your gear modes right here, and then you have sequential as well for manual controls in case you need it for uphill and downhill engine braking. And then you have a glossy finish here all around your gear shifter. Again, premium look, I like it. And then next, you have two cup holders, which I believe they have ambient lights, color blue, I think. And then you have here a knob as well for your driving modes. As you can see, only the top of the line, from what I know, is you have the driving modes only at the top of the line. So it's a very great way to control your driving modes while driving. Just kakapain mo lang yung knob dito, and then you can now control your driving modes. Next, you have here your electronic parking brakes with auto hold system, guys. Again, this makes the Hyundai Creta a very great city subcompact car. So here you have a little bit of space here, maybe for your coins, right? And then for your armrest, guys, I like that it's wide enough. Okay, 2 elbows can fit in here. I really like it. And then you don't have any lever. All right, you don't have any lever, but you can directly open it. Okay, as you can see, your cubby hole right here, it's deep enough. Okay, it's deep enough, and I don't think you have sockets, but it's gonna be fine because you already have 2 right here. To continue on with your steering wheel, guys, you have again a leather wrapped steering wheels with this accents right here, silver accents. So on the left side, you have here your functions or buttons for answering calls. Then these are your controls for your headlights, no, and your turn signals. And then on the right side, you have your access for your cruise control and your advanced driving assist systems. And then, of course, at the right side, you have your wiper controls. You have this good-looking instrument cluster, no, that you could always access, digital, of course. And then you can see all of your information there, speedometer, tachometer, now digital, which I really love. So for your steering wheel, guys, you have tilt and telescopic steering wheels. Very awesome. Then you have a push start button as well. Then over here at the left side, as a driver, you have your controls here for your power folding side mirrors and your tilt adjustment for your side mirrors. Okay, then lock, unlock, and then here you have access to your power windows. Okay, only the driver side has the automatic on and off, or I mean the up and down, automatic up and down. Then here's your button to lock all windows. Okay, and then you have a space here, plastic material but very solid, no? And then you have a space here, large enough as well, a pocket. And then great news is you have leather padding, cognac brown, once again leather padding. Then below you have bottle holders, 2 of them, and then a space here. This one is for your gas tank, which I like because you don't have to isingit yung kamay mo dito, but you can just easily access it by pressing this one. Then you also have right here the lever for your hood. So we have right here your key fob, guys. Usually this is a make or break for car companies, and I must say this one is impressive. Okay, it has a good quality. It feels saktong heavy lang. And then it also has a remote start engine function, which is very impressive. So this really makes the Hyundai Creta a very great subcompact car, no? As you can see, lock, unlock, hold, and as well for your compartment. So now that we're done here for the driver's side or the first row, let's go to the second row, see what we have there. But before we go that, let me show you, or you can hear the thud of the door of the build quality. Super solid, guys. Very excellent build quality. So now let's go to the second row, see what we have there. So welcome to the second row passenger seat of your Hyundai Creta, guys. This is a quick look of a view from the rear, okay? If you're seated here at the second row, you have this amazing executive feeling, guys. Honestly, again, the cognac brown combination with the dark gray is really awesome. Then the seats as well, I like that it just came with, for the most part, black right here, right? And then you have here above, you have a dome light, guys. Halogen dome lights, but gets the job done. Honestly, I like how the orange vibe looks for me. So again, this is your dashboard, right? Your interior. It's very nice, guys. All right. And then what do you have here as a second row passenger? So you have 2 aircon vents. Great for the Philippines. And then here you have USB port, USB type A, and then a space here to put your phone. For your center tunnel, it's there, but I must say that it's not too bulky. It's just sakto lang para sa akin. Ayan, alright? And then what's great is you have 2 cup holders to enjoy your Starbucks or your drive-thru. And then by the way, for your second row seating position, for your second row seats, guys, you have a 60-40 folding split. So my overall thoughts for the Hyundai Creta, guys, I really am very impressed with this car. If I'm gonna be buying a subcompact crossover today, this will absolutely be at the top of my list, honestly, especially the silver color with a black top finish. Very executive look, honestly. Great for city, and it can also be used for long rides with a 1.5 liter engine compared to the other competitors. And then you also have these advanced driver assist systems, fully packed, very kumbaga jam-packed na siya with features, safety driving features, yan, advanced driving features pa. So if you're interested in buying one, consider to go to your nearest Hyundai dealership today. Thank you so much once again, Hyundai Cebu Talisay, for a great accommodation here. Thank you so much. And if you're considering to buy a car, consider to watch the best car accessories video natin dyan. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that when we seek God first, all of the things that we need will be added unto us, and that's when we truly win in life. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you on the next one. Ciao.